Today we're going to be looking at one of the brand new 2026 Avengers from Forest River, and it's the 2.3 BHS floor plan. Now these saw a big change in 2025 and they kept a lot of these awesome features, plus added a couple of other things. Starting on the very front here, you're going to notice that this is a tandem axle travel trailer with a single slide out on this side. The most notable feature that happened in 2025 that they kept for the 2026s is this drop frame design. It's easier to see from the other side, so we'll walk on over to it. But on our way, I want to point out that the Avenger comes standard now with powered tongue jacks and powered stabilizers. You also have two 20-pound propane tanks on the front, and this is that new drop frame design. It lets you actually have a proper pass-through storage area, now bigger and better than ever. It's really easy to see in person. It's not that actually bad on video either, but this drop frame lets you store larger things such as smaller kayaks. You can fit large totes, you can fit coolers, anything you can imagine. It's a proper pass-through storage area now. Another notable thing that happened was this brand new decal package. You're going to have this gold and black decal wrapped around the Avenger. You also have these gold tinted windows. Now these new upgraded windows do a better job at protecting the interior. They keep the sunlight reflected off, so the air temperature on the inside is well regulated, and they are UV protectant as well, as they just look great. You get that full mirrored look, and they're a great design in my opinion. You've got the solid step entry on the Avengers. You don't have the fold-out ones that come from underneath. This solid step makes it nice and rigid going inside. You got a perfect little spot here for a bottle opener, which is convenient because this first compartment we're going to open up is an outdoor Everchill fridge. It means you don't have to go inside to grab some extra drinks or extra snacks. All can be kept right there. You're also going to have another storage compartment on this side. Here, this is going to be technically under one of the bunks. This floor plan does have double bunks in the rear. You also have a leash latch, which is perfect for clipping the dog onto or anything you need to secure to the trailer. Got a spare tire, auxiliary shower, your bumper for your sewer hose, and it is prepped for a backup cam if you want one installed. It is also solar prepped too. Stepping onto the inside of the trailer, you're really going to notice a lot of these features and upgrades. Not only because they're big changes, so they step out at you, but Forest River is being great at supplying you with all these stickers here. So if you come in as a customer during the spring and summer, we have all of our trailers unlocked every day. You can kind of give yourself a self-guided tour and look at all of this stuff and see all of the new specs they have for these 2026s. Starting in the kitchen, one of the big changes that happened was they wanted to show off these gold reflective windows. So now you have countertop to cabinet windows. Instead of having a backsplash, you can enjoy the great outdoors. And how they did that was they eliminated having to have this built in for a microwave, because now you get upgraded to the 3-in-1 air fryer. So it's a built-in convection microwave and air fryer, as well as a traditional microwave, and it gives you all of those options packed in underneath your 3-burner stovetop, allowing you to have all of this access up top. You also have a deep stainless steel basin. You've got this nice high-rise faucet, extra little container there, or pad there for drying some dishes, and you have a mug / drink cleaner on the side. I wanted to point out, it's one thing that's quickly missed, but right at the interior here, there is a little lip with that cutout. That's a perfect spot for storing your shoes, so you're not dirtying the rest of the trailer coming in to use the washroom. Keeping on the topic of the kitchen, we've got a fridge built in here. You'll see they've got all this great stuff here. It is a 12-volt, 10.6 cubic foot fridge. Opening it up, I can already hear it roaring away from the generator I have outside. You've got this fridge to store all of your belongings. And right beside it, you're going to have your dinette. This is the spot you're going to sit down, have your meals. I like that they've got these windows wrapped around the corner so you can still enjoy the outdoors. And this extra little pocket beside here is a nice touch. I can see it's the perfect spot to store a couple of board games, cards, or just any other drinks or stuff you want to set off to the side while you're using this table. If you need an extra sleeping area because the bunks and master bedroom aren't enough, this dinette will drop down, these cushions will come over. Now you have a full sleeping alcove for an extra person. Flipping over here, you've got a nice large TV. You've got your electric fireplace underneath, but you have a sticker here that says hidden pantry storage. One of my most favorite features about this, because it doesn't really seem aesthetically like it's a storage area, but you flip that latch, open it up. Now you've got a proper storage pantry. It's not just little cubbies you can pack stuff into. It is full shelves up here. Lots of totes you can fit in there, lots of extra belongings, and the fact that it's hidden away even makes it nicer. Close it up, latch it back over, and you're good to go. You've got double bunks here in the back. You've got your window up top, your window below, and each one has its own USB-A and USB-C charger, so none of the kids or adults are going to get in fights that one bunk is better than the other. Opening this up, you've got your washroom in the rear. Pretty simple. You've got a corner storage unit here where you can store some stuff behind your medicine cabinet. Wedging it into that corner gives you a little bit more surface area than just having it flat up against the wall. You've got your sink, storage and access to plumbing underneath, your toilet, and your shower here. You've got natural light coming in through this vent and fan. You've got your wraparound shower surround here, full plastic, eliminating any worries about having kind of seals or caulking go bad in the corners. You've got your built-in shelves and everything else you need. You'll notice throughout this trailer you do have ducted air. You've got your air conditioning. You've got your registers on the floor, and walking over here you're going to have access to your master bedroom. Got these perfect little pocket doors here that will slide out and separate this area, but I like leaving it open, having that open floor plan design. Windows here on either side. You've got your ducted air coming straight into the master bedroom. Plugs here, which is going to be perfect for hooking up your TV backer areas right there, and a couple other changes that happen in 2025 that are worth noting. These Avengers switch to having a Camp King bed, so it's their own kind of custom dimension, but gets you a little bit larger size than you would with some of their average beds they used to have. You've got storage here on either side, perfect for hanging clothes, but I do like a feature here that they've done. See if I can show it off here. They've added charging ports and shelves to the back. So now not only is this closer to you while you're lying in bed to have your phone or something plugged in, but you're not going to be using this countertop here, which is going to get knocked over every time you open this door. You've got USB-A and USB-C for charging portable devices, and you have 110 volts, perfect for alarm clocks, CPap machines, and anything of that nature. You got the same story on the other side, right behind here, and you've got your storage compartments there too. Last but not least, underneath here, what they've started to do for storage is they've given you pre-made or pre-designed totes, and you have a little ottoman. Ottoman's perfect for bringing into the living room, giving you a little bit of extra space for your feet or to sit on, but you can also store belongings in there too. There is a ton of features packed into all of these new Avengers and Tracers and all the other models we have and brands here at Longhaul. 2026 was a good year for trailers. So if you want to come see everything else they have to offer, come on down and check them all out at Longhaul Trailers in Listowel.